Hey there, language learners! Are you looking to improve your English skills without spending a dime? Well, you're in luck because I've got some fantastic free AI-powered apps and resources that can help you on your language learning journey. Let's dive in. First up, we have Duolingo, the beloved language learning app that makes it fun and gamified. With Duolingo, you can practice your English skills through bite-sized lessons, quizzes, and interactive exercises. The AI-powered system adapts to your progress, creating a personalized learning experience. And the best part, it's completely free to use. Next we have Closemaster, a unique app that uses contextual fill-in-the-blank exercises to improve your vocabulary and grammar. It's a great way to learn new words and phrases in a fun, competitive environment. Closemaster covers a wide range of languages, including English, and it's available for free on both mobile and web platforms. For those of you who want to work on your pronunciation, check out SpeechLink. This AI-powered app provides personalized feedback on your English pronunciation, allowing you to identify and improve specific sounds and intonation patterns. You can record yourself and get detailed feedback, all for free. Moving on, we have the BBC Learning English website, a treasure trove of free resources for English learners. From grammar and vocabulary lessons to podcasts and articles, this comprehensive platform covers a wide range of topics and is suitable for learners of all levels. Linguist is another fantastic app that uses spaced repetition and AI algorithms to optimize your vocabulary learning. It focuses on high-frequency words and phrases, helping you communicate more effectively in English. Linguist is available on both web and mobile platforms, and you can access the basic features for free. If you're looking for a more conversational approach to learning English, Fluence might be the right fit for you. This app offers lessons with native speaker audio and explanations, emphasizing real-world communication skills and cultural context. While they do have a paid subscription, Fluence also offers a free trial so you can try it out before committing. And finally, we have the ever-popular YouTube channel, English with Lucy. Lucy, a native English speaker, provides free, engaging, and easy-to-follow video lessons on a wide range of English topics, from grammar and vocabulary to pronunciation and idioms. There you have it, language learners, a comprehensive list of the best free AI-powered apps and resources to help you improve your English skills. Remember, consistent practice and engagement with the language are key, so be sure to explore these fantastic tools and start your language learning journey today. Happy learning!